Right, I want a room tour. So I'll take it away.
Go, man. This is our little room. Shut the door, 2 seconds. Right, where should we start with?
Start there, go on.
Start with the iron board. You get a complimentary iron with the iron board, which was broken before, but now room service come gave us a new one.
Open the drawers.
I'm gonna break it again. I can't reach up there, but I can. I don't know. You can store a lot of things in there.
Moving down.
And this one's cup and dinner. Anyway, to the food. Paid. This side, this half, you have to pay for. The half, it's all free.
Complimentary.
So tea, complimentary.
Yeah, they're only about Kyle, there's no sugar.
There is sugar, there's the sugar there, man.
Oh,
do everything, do there.
Green tea. Oh yeah, kava, you know.
Nah, I don't like kava. You can make
Need it for Galla.
And then we got a fridge, which is like boiling hot.
From outside.
From outside, inside. It's quite nice. What have they got? Fruit punch.
Yeah, all paid for well.
Yeah, you have to pay for this.
You might jack this before we go.
It's not paid for. We have to pay for this.
Oh, that's what I mean. Yeah.
Drinks, Fanta. I've never had these, you know.
We might just jack these before we go in.
Yeah, but they look a bit dirty though. Peach, lychee, lemon, Kit Kat, dairy milk, which I already got in a bag, so I won't be taking any of that. Red Bull. If I give you any recommendation, don't have Red Bull from Pakistan. You're gonna shit yourself. Right. Toilets. Let's go into the toilet. Light on. Key card. Starts the electricity.
There you go. AC's on now.
AC's on. Toilet. Everything's alright.
Nice and clean. Room service just happened. You get all this complimentary. We're gonna jack all that as well.
That's sewing kit.
Sewing kit. Your mum might need some.
Sewing. We got combs, everything. Shaving kit, toothbrush, shower cap, you name it.
Soap.
Towels. Fork. And then
you got a phone in case you shit yourself. Emergency.
Shower's a bit shit though. I mean the power.
Can you move your butt? No, you can't.
Not power. Oh shit, I just screwed myself. But yeah, it's a bit. The middle's a bit thick though. You know, middle of it.
Yeah.
When it's dry, so it's just like messed. And that's the toilet. It's not bad toilet though. Fairly clean.
AC.
TV. It's got what? 25 channels? No, 85 channels. Something like that.
85 channels and all of them. Most of them are news channels.
Yeah, news channels.
There's just space, books and stuff.
Directory.
We're not gonna show that. All messy anyway.
Yeah. That's chairs, and then you got the beds.
Chairs right there. Yeah. Table.
Beds.
Two beds. Standard beds.
Very soft beds. The cushions. You don't like the cushions about you?
Too soft.
I'm alright with it. But the one thing about this room that lets you down is the carpet. It's shit.
You're not ready for this? For the view outside?
Oh, the view.
You're not ready for this? Balcony view. No, saw some bakriya running around there before. Yeah. It's decent.
That's why we have the curtains closed. Yeah. They don't have many plug sockets, so them are the two downfalls.
They're going down here, show you.
Behind the bed?
Behind the bed? I can't even get my plug in there, bro. Like, yeah, right there.
Oh, show me this. Look at this. Some kind of console, yeah. If you want the TV on, you press TV.
Yeah, electric's not on, man.
TV, for the TV to turn on, and then you press the remote. Now the electricity has gone to the TV. Lights. They're not bed, right? No, someone.
What does bed mean? What you can do to the bed?
Table light. Huh? Master. Table light. Huh? Floor light.
What's this way you do work?
Front. That's that one. What's floor light? There is no floor light. What's? Don't know what that is.
Probably down there somewhere. Nothing there.
Mirror. There's a mirror?
I hear something down.
That's that mirror there.
Allah.
Room. Oh, that's the room one. What's table? That never turns off. That's always on. So 3 things with this room: plug sockets, carpet, and that little lamp.
And when you take the thingy out, the emergency light stays on. So at night.
That's for emergencies though, I know.
Yeah, but at night you can't take that off.
Yeah. You give it to him. We'll allow that one.
Yeah. Other than that, that's how I really.
That's the entrance to the Ramada Hotel. You come through a little shooty and through the doors. What is this area? What are we doing right now?
Khana Pina area, breakfast.
Khana Pina area. That's it.
Huh?
Cakes.
Muffins.
Huh?
You got some parathe,
Yeah, I'm just recording everything. get it in. What these guys do, what they offer, cakes. I might get some. I might try some. I've got a few days anyway. We can try everything.
These here.
Dud, cereal. There's jam, porridge, liver, cream, fruit. Oh, there's no mangoes, man. Salad.
Are there mangoes?
Are they mangoes? They don't have mangoes.
Pineapple.
That's not pineapple, yeah, that's melon.
Oh yeah, Pakistani melon.
Man, that doesn't look too hard, does it? Breakfast area, guys. There's a breakfast area. Pancakes, eggs. What's that? Aloo. Yeah, potato, roasted potatoes. Fully loaded in there. Everything's here. Alright. Tea area, juice.
Pani, where's Pani?
Pani. I've gone for prante, French toast, some donuts, and a croissant type of tea. What are you looking for?
I've got one traditional Pronti. I was gonna find Chennai, yeah, I don't know, yeah.
Mini review, what do you think?
Decent. Gonna be cold. Yeah, but still.
I think when you get them when they're fresh, innit? For me, personally, I think the homemade prantes that we from back home way better.
Too good.
Yeah, they're just different breed, aren't they? These are nice, I'm not like they are nice. The French toast, sweet. I think it might be sweet bread again, but it's sweet, it might have mixed with sugar. Donut seems a bit hard, but food overall is nice.
Mango to taste of it.
It's not mango.
What is it?
I think it's melon. For this video, to get a shout out, comment what you have for breakfast. I can't say breakfast, bro. Breakfast. Come to Pakistan within 2 days. I lose my English.
Go to one now.
2 more taze ones, fresh. A lot better.
Much better. Apparently, yeah, if you drink chai with a straw, it's a different vibe. I'm gonna try now. Dude, yeah, that tastes different.
How much different? Paper different. Is it? No, it's a plastic.
Plastic. They never taste normal.
What's the difference?
I don't know why it tastes a bit sweeter. I don't know why.
Because all the sugar gets to the bottom.
Oh yeah, and it tastes nice.
Yeah.
It's nice.
I would say it does taste better. Right, I might try that then. Approved. Let's try it then. You know, broke myself. It's basically just picks up the sugar. Really. Way better off with a straw, you know. Kids play area then, isn't it? Yeah, then. Tanky is right there. Oh, is that the mosque? That's the mosque.
That's the ladies' entrance.
Ladies' entrance right there.
It is open.
It's quite decent size.
Are we not shoes in it?
Should be alright, I think. We'll take them off here, innit?
There's some school in here.
There's not the ACs on here?
Yeah.
Oh, there is. Just there. Nice little mosque area. It's quite decent space, you know. Is this where they done the Azan yesterday?
Yeah, most likely.
So we found a prayer area. They got a lot of facilities in this.
We're gonna give you a full tour.
Yeah. Barbers.
Oh, you're a trim.
Barbers, eh?
You're a trim.
Jump in.
Nah, I don't know take it, bro. I might slip into that.
They actually got a jacuzzi. Not ready yet. Nice, simple, you know. Little gym area.
Go on, show us what you got.
I've got nothing.
Jump on the machine.
Right. That's it. How much is that? Do you think I'll be able to do one? How much is that?
10 kg.
20 kgs. That's 40 kgs.
You Pakistan weight more than that. Come on, man. Mine didn't buy it.
Just one, yeah?
Go on. Do you need support? Do you need support? Oi, where are you? Shall do you need help? Oh, Morena saab band ho raha hai. I didn't realize there were those. Failed attempt.
No, what happened there was, I thought it was one of those hooks. So you like lift up under it. So I was getting preparing.
Yeah.
Oh, see, look.
You don't have the grip, is it?
It's one of those. It just rolls on.
Oh, yeah. You don't have that grip?
No. But I won't be able to do it. To be honest with you, I won't be able to do it.
At least it's honest.
I did say beforehand, but then that's what you feel, innit? If you say you can't do it, You're never gonna be able to do it. So guys, this is the in-house rooftop barbecue on top of Ramada. It's called Rooftop for a reason. And we'll show you that in a different food vlog. There'll be a link in the description and over here somewhere, one of the two. So check it out. Room service here. It's quite quick. It was alright. He said 20 minutes. Came within 15. Not bad. So we got chips, mango lassi, mango smoothie. There is a lot you can do with the room service. They do food. So they do breakfast, and this is all room service. But if you got a complimentary breakfast, there's no point actually buying this, because this is gonna cost you more to get free breakfast. But I think they probably do a lot more here. See, they do appetizers, salad. These are all during the day, and I think they got after midnight. Yep, they do. After midnight, that's what you can get. Full 24 hours shift. Overall, room service is there 24/7. I think that's with most hotels anyway. My thoughts on Ramada. I enjoyed my stay here. I think everything so far has been top notch, spot on. The service here, unbelievable. Everyone here is lovely. Food wise, the rooftop was really nice. On this Islamabad trip, I think I think it was on top. Probably the best meal that we've had here, even though we've only had dinner so far. Everything else, I mean, I don't have any faults with this hotel. The only thing I'd say is just change the carpets. That's really one thing I've got a problem with. The carpets are dirty. Change the carpet, that's it. That's my only suggestions to them guys if they're watching the video. But everything else, service is spot on.
So my final thoughts on Ramada in Islamabad. I'm just going to reiterate what Sohail said. Service is unbelievable. They always greet you with a smile. Everyone, whether it's the room service, the security outside in the car park, the person at the door, everyone just greets you with a smile. Improve the carpets, yeah. What Sohail forgot was that the Wi-Fi is poor. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. 5 minutes it works, 10 minutes it doesn't. I don't know why, yeah. I think it's just where the beds are somewhere, yeah, or the room or somewhere. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Other than that, them two things, I think you can't fault Ramada. If you do come Islamabad, do give Ramada a try. I think you'll enjoy it.
That's our hotel review / tour / vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed. The shout outs are here. Comment that you want a shout out and you'll get a shout out. So guys, like and comment some ideas as well, because we're gonna be back in Azad Kashmir now as well. So we're gonna have a lot more videos coming. And if you guys can provide us with some ideas of what you want to see, it'd be beneficial for us as well. Definitely subscribe guys. We need subscribers.
Turn your bell notification on.
Yeah, turn it on.
Because we don't know when we're going to upload, what days and times. So as soon as we upload, you'll get a notification. You'll know the video's up. You can watch it straight away.
Peace.